Using a One4All gift card online at Argos is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, ensure you have a valid One4All gift card with sufficient funds to cover your purchase. To begin, navigate to the Argos website and browse for the item you wish to purchase. Once you have found the item, add it to your basket and proceed to checkout. At the checkout stage, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Select the gift card option as your payment method and enter the 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN located on the back of the card. You will then be asked to confirm the gift card details and the amount you wish to pay with the gift card. If the gift card balance exceeds the cost of the item, the remaining balance will be retained on the card for future use. If the gift card balance does not cover the full cost of the item, you will be required to pay the outstanding amount using an alternative payment method. It is essential to note that One4All gift cards can only be used for online purchases at participating retailers, and Argos is one of them. Also, ensure that your gift card is valid and has not expired. To avoid any issues during checkout, it is recommended to check the balance of your gift card before making a purchase and to keep your gift card details secure. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your One4All gift card online at Argos and enjoy a convenient and hassle-free shopping experience. Remember to always keep your gift card details secure and to only use your gift card at participating retailers to avoid any issues or decline transactions. By doing so, you can make the most out of your One4All gift card and enjoy a seamless online shopping experience at Argos.